Want to start earning online but don't know where to begin? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No experience needed. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's dive in. First up is t-shirt design. If you're creative and love designing, you can create custom t-shirts and sell them online without holding inventory. Start by learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva. Many designers earn 5 to 20 per sale depending on the platform and product. To stand out, focus on trending niches and unique designs. Use platforms like Printful or Teespring to sell your creations. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a scalable income stream. Next is digital marketing. Every business needs to grow its online presence, and if you enjoy strategy and analytics, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of SEO, social media marketing, and email campaigns. Many businesses pay $50 to $200 per hour for digital marketing services, depending on the scope. To get started, offer your services to small businesses or freelancers. You can also find work on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. With consistent results, this skill can turn into a high-paying niche. Third is flyers and posters. From local events to business promotions, there's always a need for eye-catching designs. If you're creative and love design, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe InDesign or Canva. Many clients pay $20 to $100 per design, depending on the complexity. To get started, showcase your work on platforms like Behance or Dribbble. You can also reach out to local businesses or event organizers. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Fourth is voiceover work. From commercials to audiobooks, there's a growing demand for talented voices. If you have a clear and engaging voice, this skill is perfect for you. Start by practicing your delivery and investing in a good microphone. Many clients pay $50 to $300 per project, depending on the length and complexity. To get started, create a demo reel and showcase your work on platforms like voices.com or Fiverr. With consistent effort, this skill can open doors to exciting opportunities in the media industry. Finally, let's talk about ebook writing. If you're knowledgeable in a specific topic, you can write and sell ebooks online. Start by identifying a niche you're passionate about and creating valuable content. Many authors earn $100 to $5,000 per ebook, depending on the demand. To stand out, focus on creating engaging and well-researched content. Use platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Gumroad to sell your ebooks. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a passive income stream. And there you have it, 5 skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose t-shirt design, digital marketing, flyers and posters, voiceover work, or ebook writing, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.